The 2009 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, CD changer, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.